Hi everyone, welcome back to the Adeomi Math Hub, where mathematics meets simplicity. On today's episode, we'll be learning operations on number basis. So we have three questions as usual here. We have the addition problems, we have problems on subtraction, and we have problems on multiplication. So before we go ahead, for those of you that are here to subscribe to our channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on notification so that you'll be notified anytime we drop our videos. So like I said, we have three questions to solve on this episode. The first question says evaluate 1101 base 2 plus 111 base 2 plus 10 base 2. So that is going to be 1101 111, then 10, everything in base 2 plus. And don't forget, under base 2 there are only two digits, two elements, that is 0 and 1. So your answer must not have any digit outside this. So let's start. So 1 plus 1, that's 2, plus 0, 2. 2 is not an element under this, so we are going to divide. Divide your answer by the base, which is 2. So divided by 2 is 1, remainder what? 0. Can you see that? So let's continue. 1 plus 0, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 is not a member of digit in base 2, so we say 3 divided by 2 is 1, remainder 1. We continue. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. Divided by 2 is 1, remainder 1. Then 1 plus 1 is 2. Divided by 2 is 1, remainder 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. So here is our answer. 10110 base 2. So that is that for question number 1. So let's go to question number 2. Now the second question says find the value of star 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 if 3 to 4 base 5 plus star 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 equals 1001 base 5. Now, so I will be using solving equation format. So we're putting it in equation format. So 3. I've not said this before, but when I say equation, when you say something is an equation, then it is having the equality sign. So in this instance, star 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 1001 base 5. Like I was saying, that I will write it as an equation. It is having an equality sign, so it makes it an equation. The moment I clean this off, it's just an expression. Do you get that now? So this is an equation, so I'm going to solve it like I'm solving a mathematical equation. So in this instance, this is what we are looking for. It's just like changing the subject of formula. So we'll make this the subject of our formula. So what are we going to do? We have 3 to 4 here that needs to come to this place. So what do? We subtract 3 to 4 base 5 from both ends. Now why do we subtract? Now the symbol of 3 to 4 here is plus. That is, it is positive. If it is not having the negative sign, then it is positive. If a number is not having the negative sign, then it is what? Positive. So since it is not having the negative sign, so it is positive. So we are going to take the alternate of it, which is negative. So we subtract 3 to 4 from both sides. So we have something like this. 3 to 4 base 5 plus star 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 minus, don't forget, 3 to 4 base 5 equals 1001 base 5 minus 3 to 4 base 5. So Now you can see that we have 324, negative 324 here, so this can cancel this out. So what we are going to have is going to be star 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 equals 1001 base 5 minus 324. So we can see that this is a case of subtraction that you can now do something like this: 1001 324 negative. Now how do you go about it? It's very simple. Now you ask yourself, 1 minus 4, it's impossible, so you have to borrow from here, because you can't borrow from 0, it's nothing. So you have to, but there's another technique. So if you borrow 1 from here, you have 0 left. If you borrow 1 from here, don't forget that we are in what? Base 5. Any number that is borrowed becomes 5. You have borrowed 1 from it, it's becoming 5. So 5 plus 0 is 5. So you borrow 1 from this 5, also it becomes 4. Add it to this place, 5 plus 0, 5. So you borrow 1 from this 5 again, it becomes 4. Add the 5 to this, 5 plus 1 is 6. Can you see that? Unlike the normal decimal, when you borrow 1, it becomes 10. That's why when you say 10 plus the number, it becomes 11. That's why you just add 1 to the back. On this one, we are in base 5. So any one you borrow becomes 5. You just add it up to the number you are taking it to. So we have added to this. So 6. Now you use this new digits. Now we have, if you see it, we have something like 0446 minus 324. So here we are going to have 6 minus 4, 2. 4 minus 2, 2. 4 minus 3, 1. 0 minus 0, that's 0. This can be taken away. So look at, so that's 122 base what? Base 5. So you can see the difference now. Don't forget, you have to take note of this when you are subtracting. Remember the base you are working on. If it is base 6, so if you are borrowing any number you are carrying, that one that you borrow is going to be 6. If you are in base 5, it's going to be 5. So we are in base 5 and this. So when we borrow from here, it becomes 0. Always note that. Then we add it to this 0, it becomes 5. But don't forget, we need that one here. So if we don't give to this, then this we give to this, and this finally give to this. That is because the number here are zeros, and we can't borrow from 0. I hope you understand that. So let us go to the final question on this episode. So we have, the last question on this episode, we have a multiplication case. So 213 multiplied by 23, both numbers in base 4. Now, don't forget the members of base 4, the digits in base 4 are only 4. Those are 0, 1, 2, and 3. Any number outside this is not a member of base 4. So let's start. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 is not a member of base 4. So we have to divide our answer by 4. So 9 divided by 4 is 2. Remainder 1. We continue. 1 times 3. That's 3. Plus 2 is 5. 5 is not a member of base 4, so we say 5 divided by 4. That's what? 1. Remainder 1. Now, we proceed to the last number here. That's 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 is not a member yet. Yeah. Since it is the last number, okay, 7 divided by 4, we have what? 1. Remainder what? 3. So this is the last number to multiply with, so we are just going to write this one here. So 1 3 1 1. Now let's go to the second digit. So 3 times 2 is 6. 6 is not a member here, so 6 divided by 4 is what? Thank you, 1. remainder what? 2. 1 times 2 is what? Is 2. Beautiful. Plus 1, 3. 3 is a member, so you can write it. Now, 2 times 2 is 4. 4 is not a member, so you have to divide. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. Remainder what? 0. This is not a part of the question, so we just add it up to this place. 1 plus 0. So then we add up. So 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 is not a member. So 6 divided by 4 is 1. We keep the 1 here. Remainder what? Remainder 2. 1 plus 0 is 1. Plus 1 is 2. Then lastly, 1 plus nothing is 1. So this is in base what? Don't forget base 4. So 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, base 4. That's our final answer. If you are yet to subscribe to our channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on notification. And you can also like and share with your friends. Also, if you have any mathematical questions on topic that we have treated so far, or any mathematical question at all, you can always drop in the comment section, or you mail us at theadeomimathhub@gmail.com. Thank you and see you in the next class.